Is this simple-looking piece of metal the secret sauce to unlocking your server's full potential? We're diving into the Hewlett Packard Enterprise Gen 11 EI Rail Kit, part number W128592935, and let me tell you, it's more than just a mounting bracket. This isn't your average accessory. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with HPE's Gen 11 servers, promising a more robust and reliable installation. The build quality feels incredibly solid, which is exactly what you'd expect from HPE. It's engineered for ease of use, aiming to simplify the often tedious process of rack mounting your valuable server hardware. Imagine sliding your server into place with minimal fuss, knowing it's securely fastened and properly aligned. That's the promise here. The EI designation suggests it's tailored for specific HPE server configurations, so compatibility is key, and this kit seems to nail that for the intended Gen 11 models. While it might seem like a minor component, a good rail kit is crucial for airflow, accessibility for maintenance, and overall system stability. A wobbly or poorly fitted server can lead to overheating and operational headaches. This kit appears to address those concerns head-on, providing a sturdy foundation. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly contributes to a more efficient and professional data center environment. For anyone managing HPE Gen 11 servers, this rail kit is a strong contender for ensuring a smooth and secure deployment. It's a testament to how even the supporting components can make a significant difference in the long run.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.